The Instant Cabin Tent 8-person provides an incredibly quick setup experience with pre-attached poles that allow you to have it ready in just 60 seconds, making it perfect for solo campers or families alike. This spacious tent comfortably fits up to 8 people and can accommodate 3 queen-sized air mattresses, offering plenty of room for a comfortable camping experience. With its 5 mesh windows, a D-shaped door, and a mesh roof, the tent ensures excellent ventilation and breathability, allowing you to enjoy fresh air and a cozy interior. The tent includes a multifunctional porch that expands your outdoor space by 70%, providing a shaded area for relaxation and gear storage. Designed for durability, it features reinforced pole protectors and windproof ropes, offering outstanding wind resistance and stability in various weather conditions. Constructed from high-quality polyester fabric with a waterproof rating of PU 1000 millimeters, this tent ensures protection from rain and ground moisture, keeping you dry and comfortable.